how squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant. We begin our journey at the raw source stage, inside the loft, with these newborn Carnot squab chicks. The initial alignment and clean execution of the head removal is critical in processing the squab. The first step is the swift removal of the feet using specialized poultry shears. This prepares the carcass for the next stage. Evisceration opening बनाई जाती है.
How squab meat is processed. Cold water spray nozzle carcass par directed. Surface contaminants remove Humane.
In the processing of squab meat, the chilling phase now stabilizes, preparing it for luxury restaurants.
After chilling, each squab is meticulously inspected on the grading table to ensure luxury quality. As part of how squab meat is processed, the carcass is weighed and assigned its luxury grade before moving on to fat cover inspection.
This is the crucial fat distribution inspection. The worker checks for elasticity, ensuring the thickness meets our standards before final grading approval. Once graded, the luxury grade's chilled squab is carefully hooked and moved toward the aging chamber. How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant. The freshly packed squab is now entering the rapid freezing tunnel to ensure peak freshness for the luxury market.
Inside the shock freezer tunnel, the core temperature drops rapidly as the squab is brought down to a frosty minus 18 degrees Celsius.
How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant. Manufacturing.
How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant.
Here's the temperature log. Verified. Everything looks good. Thank you.
If you could just sign here to confirm the chain of custody.
Of course. There we are. Thanks, you.
Pleasure doing business with you. How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant.
How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant. How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant.
We begin by applying a light, even layer of coarse sea salt to the squab skin.
How squab meat is processed from loft to luxury restaurant.
How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant.
The close-up shows the skin browning evenly as the fat renders into the pan. The chef carefully monitors the color before the turn.
Before the processing begins, the tools must be prepared. A razor-sharp edge is crucial for precision cuts and presentation. How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant. Squab service, please. Thank you, chef.
How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant.
How squab meat is processed, from loft to luxury restaurant.
The roasted squab with a delicate port reduction, complemented by seasonal vegetables. Enjoy your dinner.
How squab meat is processed, from the loft to the luxury restaurant.